Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Doro 8100 to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both of them to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Doro. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Doro, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!